Well, hello, this is Dean DeLisle, Chief Revenue Officer here at S2A Modular, and welcome to another Modular Minute. So many of you have been following along in this little mini series I've been doing on the McKinsey Report, and I just brought it up on the screen here. And we're covering really nine factors in their construction disruption and things that really need to change for things to get better throughout the world in the industry. And we give you a link to get access to this report. But we're really getting into number 7 today, which is investment in human resources. Now, I don't have to tell many of you how important it is. You hear about work shortage, people out of work, and you hear a lot of things on the news. But here's some of the things that are really important to understand. So I come from a background of technology education, so you're going to get that sort of a spin from me on this. But when we've been talking about in this series about innovation, digitalization, right? Value chain control, technology use, specialization, end-to-end segmentation, things like that. It's really important to retain your in-house people or attract new people. Now, I've been part of a global rollout of human resource training systems. So this is an important comment to make because we're bringing some of that technology here to S2A. This is how we're addressing it. We have an online academy. We're dedicated to having partner products. You've heard us talk about partnerships, bringing those products into the academy so that we can train and educate not just our employees, but future employees and then even customers, prospects. And we'll segment the training depending on what's important. We're also going to have and starting to have a series of internal certification training so that people can elevate. We also have something fun on, we have an employee advocacy program. If you haven't heard of those, this is where social media is involved. You know how it's a big part of our world, but where we've sort of gamified social media where employees can come on, they can build their personal brand. So they get to be seen as experts in their field while they're learning, while they're training, while they're elevating their career. And now all of a sudden you have employees that are happy to work for you, but their friends get to see where they're working and they're excited about it. So these are just a few ways that we're really investing in human resources. And so as we grow, we'll have obviously more of an opportunity to do this as we have more factories open, generate more revenue, et cetera. But, always be thinking about this for yourselves. And it looks differently for all kinds of different people out there. So, but again, want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. And we'll see you on the next Modular Minute. Take care.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.